Hi, welcome to another video. In this video, I am going to show you the output of monocular SLAM and how it works. Then I will test monocular SLAM with laparoscopic video and colonoscopy video. Let's start. Here I am following the tutorial from Learn OpenCV, building molecular SLAM from scratch using Python and OpenCV. SLAM is a short form of simultaneous localization and mapping. This is the output of localization and mapping. You can download the code for free. Let's see how monocular SLAM works and what are the algorithms mainly used to create monocular SLAM pipeline. The pipeline mainly grouped into two front-end and back-end algorithms. Front-end algorithm responsible for estimating the camera pose and 3D map points. Backend algorithm responsible to optimize the estimated camera pose and mapping. Input of the pipelines are intrinsic metrics and image frames. Next is the feature extraction. In this phase, the feature is extracted from the images. Using feature matching, we find the feature correspondence between the extracted feature points. Using pose estimation, we compute the relative camera pose between frames using tracked or matched feature points via epipolar geometry. Triangulation is used to estimate the 3D coordinates of the surroundings. Local mapping. As the camera moves, the estimated 3D points are accumulated over time, which it turns into local maps of the surrounding where the camera moved. These are the front-end algorithm. Using this algorithm, initial camera pose and 3D map point estimations are created. Now we use the back-end algorithm to optimize them. Bundle adjustments refines the camera pose and 3D points by minimizing the projection error across all observations. Loop closure detection. There are times when the camera visits the same place twice. In those situations, we identify the previous visited locations using methods like bag of words or place recognition techniques. The loop closing detection information later send it to postgraph optimization. Postgraph optimization adjusts the entire trajectory and map, which help to maintain global consistency. In this implementation, we mostly cover the front end of the visual SLAM, and it consists of camera pose estimation and 3D mapping. After creating the environment and installing the packages, I am testing the code using text nyc.mp4 file and changing the focal length to 270. After running the code, you can see the output of monocular SLAM. In the output window down left, you can see the input frames and the selected features. On top of that, you can see the map generation in 3D space. This is the monocular SLAM output of another video. To test the monocular SLAM on laparoscopic video, I selected one of the video from Hamline rectified dataset. It's provided by Hamline Center Laparoscopy. And you need to update the focal length f is equal to 90 in the code. When you run the code, you can see the output of monocular SLAM on laparoscopic video. To test on the colonoscopy video, I am selecting the video from the dataset colonoscopy 3D video dataset. You can see the focal length is 100. We need to update the focal length value in the code. When you run the code, you can see the output of monocular SLAM on colonoscopy video. Thanks for watching. See you on the next video.